Lesson 9.7 is telling time to the half hour. So, in the video for lesson 9.6, we said that there's 60 minutes in 1 hour. Okay, and each of these little circles, sometimes it's a line on some clocks, but here it's circles. Each of these circles represents 1 minute. So, there are 60 dots around the outside of this clock, and each dot represents 1 minute. So, if we say the half hour, in 1 hour, in 1 full hour, there's 60 minutes. So how many minutes are in half of that? So half of the hour would be 30. Half of 60 is 30. So a half hour is 30 minutes. Okay, starting here with the first minute and then going all the way down to the bottom is 30 minutes. So in this lesson, our minute hand, or no, the hour hand is not going to be pointing right to the hour because we're going by the half hour, okay? So our hour hand is halfway between the 1 and the 2. So if you remember right here, if the hour hand is anywhere in this space, the hour is 12 because this is the 12's room, okay? If the hour hand is anywhere, let's say right here in this green arrow between 7 and 8, the hour is 7 because this is the 7's room. It does not become the 8's room until the hour hand points right to that 8 line, okay? So looking here at number 1, our hour hand is right in between 1 and 2. So when the hour hand is in between the 1 and the 2, let's look here at our rooms. Between the 1 and the 2 is the 1's room. So the hour is 1. So we're going to write 1. And then we need the dots to separate the hour and the minute. So if it's halfway between, the hour is 1. And that means that when it's halfway, the minute hand is going to be pointing down here to the 6. So it's 1:30. Okay, because it's 30 minutes, half past. Or if you look here, we can just write half past 7 o'clock. So you can write 1:30, or I'm gonna write it kind of smaller up here. Half past 1 o'clock. Okay. So I'm gonna show you on this clock. Let's use the same time they had there. All the way back. So this is 1 o'clock. Okay, the hour hand's pointing right to the 1. The minute hand's pointing up to the 12 where the hour starts. So that's 00, it's o'clock. So then if it makes it halfway around the clock down here to the 6, that's halfway past 1 o'clock. So half past 1 o'clock, or we can write 1:30 because it's 30 minutes. So right here for number 2, the hour hand is right in between the 4 and the 5. So let's look at our clock with the rooms on it between 4 and 5. That's in this green area here. The hour is 4. And it's halfway, so let's write here, half past 4 o'clock. Oops. And half past 4 o'clock is the same as, let's write the minutes for this one. As 4, the hour is the same, but the minute hand would be pointing down here to the 6, halfway around the clock, which is 30 minutes. So 4:30. Okay? So for this lesson, for 9.7, I would like you to do the on your own page here to practice writing the time, half past whatever hour it is, or you can write like I did, like 4:30 or 1:30, but I would like some of both, okay? So half past an hour or whatever the hour is and 30 minutes. So page 551, the on your own page, and then the practice and homework page, front and back, which is 553 and 554.